Hey everybody, this is Dr. Lamb with Bodyworks Health and Wellness. Just a quick video today about a hip adjustment and what that looks like. A lot of people come in, they have some leg pain, they might have some low back pain, some hip pain. The hip I'm talking about is the ball and socket joint where your femur of your leg meets with your pelvis. So that large ball and socket joint, sometimes that can get, for lack of a better word, it can get stuck. The range of motion is not as good, so I'm going to show you how we adjust that. So with my assistant here, at least the lower half of it, we're going to demonstrate that. So what we do is first we give it some tension, just like this. So I'm pulling on his leg, but what we're really tensioning is that ball and socket joint. So this is how the adjustment's done. What we do is we position his foot in between my knees, then we grab his knee just like this. We have the patient nice and relaxed, and then we just give him a little pull this way like so. Just like that. Sometimes that can make some noise, a nice loud pop, but what we're really feeling for is some good motion in that joint. So hip pain, this is a really good remedy for it. So once again, like us on Facebook, we have our website link below this video, and stay tuned for more.